Okay, so for the midterm exam, we have a review document, which is, by the way, exercise 7. So you need to do this and upload by before the start of the midterm exam. Uh, so we have a very simple plan. The idea is for you to do as much as the things we have learned from the exercises and the project. So this will be in metric. And you have an L-shaped floor plan. We have a floor plan that or a wall that is made up of multiple layers with the different dimensions. We have a property line that you're going to create, and this should all follow the standard, Sheridan standard. So in an office, they do have a standard so that the drawings will be similar, if not the same, in style. So they know that it's coming from a particular office. So the property line has the bearing, the distance, and then the direction. Okay, so you have to follow this. And for the building, you must have a setback of 500 millimeters. So you cannot build anywhere within 500 millimeters. But so you have a huge space here. We have a couple of tables and chairs, couple of doors, and 3 windows. Now, doors and windows for the review are not given, so you may use the ones that you already have. The windows and the doors are placed at the center. The dimensions are placed at the face, exterior face of the walls. And when you create your multi-line, initially you'll find that the structure, which is the main support for the wall, is within the core boundary. So this was done in Revit. So the structure in this scenario is 100 millimeters. And you start the multi-line style, you create one, and you will place half of this in the negative side, so negative 50. The other half will be in the positive 50, which we'll demonstrate later. And then you add the 12.5, so that will be negative 62.5. And then you'll add the 75, so that will be 50 plus 75, so that will be 125. And then you had add the 102.5. So that will be your multi-line. So you have here the roof plan. The roof will be at a certain pitch. So you always draw the roof at a 45-degree angle. So here you draw the 45 degree. There's a 45 degree going down. So you mirror this. And then it gets cut by the valley here, which meets the lower roof. Okay, it's a little complicated than what we have done, but it's a nice roof. Okay, you're going to create the roof plan and place it in a 11 by 17 paper with the title block. Now, in the floor plan, you will be adding doors, windows, and furniture as shown here. So you will be adding also attributes. For the attributes, you need a tag name, item size, which you specify based on the dimension of the table and the chair. What material you specify, okay, you're using, and look for a manufacturer or invent one. It doesn't have to be a real one. And then you're going to create using data extract a table that you can use the AutoCAD table, or you can use Excel, whichever is easier for you. Okay. So you're going to do the schedule for the door, window, and furniture using data extract. And then at the end, you're also going to be doing the elevation. So you will draw either the north and west, so north and west, so a long side and the short side, or the south and the east elevation. Okay. And you're also going to place this in a sheet. So in total, you will have about 2 to 3 sheets. So one for the elevation, depending on the scale you're using, could be one for each. And they all should have a title block. One for the site plan with the roof. Okay, here I'm showing the site plan with the floor plan, but you actually have to show the roof here. Okay, so we're going to do all that in this series of review for the midterm exam.